Our bodies are under a constant and relentless siege from an unseen microscopic world of pathogens. To survive this daily onslaught, we rely on one of the most sophisticated and intricate defense systems in all of nature, our immune system. But this powerful army cannot function without supplies, without a command structure, without fuel. Today we explore the science of its most vital quartermaster, a commander essential for every stage of the battle. Vitamin C. The first and most critical battle is won at the gates. Our skin and the mucosal linings of our respiratory and digestive tracts form a formidable physical barrier against would-be invaders. Vitamin C serves as the master architect in this defensive construction, as it is absolutely crucial for the synthesis of collagen. This strong, fibrous protein creates a durable, resilient, and tightly woven shield, making it incredibly difficult for bacteria and viruses to breach our primary defenses. Without an adequate supply of vitamin C, these foundational walls would weaken and eventually crumble, leaving us vulnerable. But when opportunistic invaders do manage to get in, the cellular troops are rapidly mobilized for combat. White blood cells, the dedicated soldiers of our immune system, are ravenous for vitamin C. They don't just passively absorb it, they actively accumulate it to concentrations up to 100 times higher than those found circulating in the blood. This isn't just for storage, it's the process of arming up for war. This high intracellular concentration acts as a high-octane fuel, energizing the cells and preparing them for the intense fight that lies ahead. Meet the first responders on the scene of an infection, the neutrophils. Vitamin C dramatically enhances their chemotaxis, their remarkable ability to navigate through the complex terrain of the body by following a trail of chemical signals directly to the precise site of infection. Once they arrive, it empowers them to perform phagocytosis, the act of engulfing a pathogen whole. More importantly, it fuels the oxidative burst, a powerful chemical weapon used to annihilate the captured invader. At the same time, it protects the neutrophil from its own deadly friendly fire, acting as an antioxidant shield. Next to be deployed are the specialists, the special forces of the immune response, the lymphocytes. Vitamin C is critical for their rapid proliferation and differentiation, allowing for a swift, overwhelming, and highly targeted counterattack. It supports B lymphocytes in producing floods of antibodies, precision-guided missiles that latch onto and neutralize pathogens before they can cause further harm. Simultaneously, it enhances the function of T lymphocytes, the assassins that hunt down and destroy our own body cells that have been compromised and turned into virus-producing factories. After the conflict subsides, the battlefield is left with debris and damaging inflammatory molecules called free radicals. Here, vitamin C plays its final crucial role as a potent antioxidant and a meticulous cleanup crew. It efficiently neutralizes the volatile free radicals, protecting healthy tissue from collateral damage. It also aids other cells like macrophages in clearing away the dead cells and vanquished pathogens. Finally, it kickstarts the tissue repair process, helping the body to heal, recover, and rebuild stronger than before. From reinforcing the outer walls, to fueling the cellular soldiers, guiding their assault, arming the special forces, and meticulously cleaning up the battlefield, vitamin C is intricately woven into every single stage of your immune defense. It is not just a simple vitamin, it is an essential commander in the daily silent war for your health and survival.